However difficult life may seem, there is always something you can do and succeed at. Good morning to all my dear students. So today about cyber security, some topics in previous class we have covered and some more topics in this video. Okay, so about today, network security. What is network security? We all are using internet. The use of internet increases during this lockdown period, and we are living in the age of internet. Network also we can tell. So what security means we should take care. Network security is the protection of files and directories in a computer network against hacking, misuse and unauthorized changes to the system. So hacking, all of you know, stealing of data, misuse when our data will be used by somebody else in a wrongful manner, and unauthorized changes. Clear? For that, a firewall is a software program or a hardware device designed to protect a network. A firewall stands as a barrier between the computer network and the internet. It secures a network from unauthorized access or communication and monitors the exchange of data between the networks. So we can use firewall to secure our data in a network. That can be used as a software or can be used as a hardware device also. It safeguards both the software and the hardware components of the network. A firewall filters the information coming from outside your private network or computer system. Okay, it has the ability to filter. Okay, if unauthorized resources data will come, then it will be protected. Okay, restricted to enter into our computer. So any information that is detected as suspicious is not allowed access to the system. A firewall protects a network from remote logins and spam emails by denying service. Spam means unauthorized mails. The people who don't know if they are sending you mails coming from advertisers. Okay, so these are known as your spam mails or junk mails. So that firewall will not allow those junk mails. Suspicious means data or information or any type of mail messages coming to your system will be protected by the firewall. So software firewall. The software firewall can be installed on a computer to protect it from attempts by unauthorized users who try to control or gain access to your computer. In addition to providing protection from different malwares, it also allows users to apply controls for web filtering and file sharing by monitoring internet applications and allowing access to only those approved by the user. Clear? So it will be installed on your computer and it will be protect your computer by stopping the mails from unauthorized users and giving access to unauthorized persons and other protecting the computer from malwares. Malwares means different type of viruses are there. Okay, just like a Trojan horse is there, one type of virus which will means come in the means you will find it as it is a good thing but useful thing for you, but when you will use it the virus will enter. Okay, adwares are there, so many types of virus are there and we combinedly call it as malwares. Next class will read about detail. It also allows users to apply controls for web filtering and file sharing by monitoring internet applications and allowing access to only those approved by the user. Clear? And if it is a hardware firewall, how it will look, see, a device will be attached. Clear? The hardware firewall is a device that is usually placed between the router and the internet connection. Clear? They are widely used in large companies and corporations. The drawback of these firewalls is that they are difficult to configure and update. Clear? But this is more protective. It is a installed between your router and the internet connection. Okay, and you can see the picture also, images, how firewall is present between means LAN and one firewall we can install, and then home network also. If you want to secure your data, you can use firewall also. Okay, but it is difficult to configure and update. Clear? So firewalls we can use in the form of hardware and in the form of software also. Next is your data security. Data security is a most important, because whenever we are giving important informations, our personal informations, it should be protected from the unauthorized users. Means we don't want to share with them. Okay, so it means protecting digital data such as that in database from destructive forces and unauthorized users. Digital data includes usernames, passwords, addresses that can be entered to register on websites. Data encryption and decryption. Okay, what is data encryption? Whenever we are entering password, you must have seen that letters or characters will turn to a symbol, maybe hash symbol, maybe star symbol, or maybe dots. That means that is your encryption. Data will not be available in the original form. It will be transferred to something else. Okay. So to protect the data encryption is the translation of data into a secret code. It is the most effective way to achieve data security. To read an encrypted file, you must have access to the secret key or password that enables you to decrypt it. Actually, whenever we'll enter, that will be converted to some other form or will be translated. Again, it should be means converted to original form, so that whatever our original data, that should be understood by the computer. So you must know the secret code, or you have the program to change it to its original form. Okay. Encrypted data is called the plain text. Whatever we are entering, that is plain text. While encrypted data means when you will convert it to some other form, it is referred to as your ciphertext. Clear? The code used to encrypt plain text is called the cipher. Many types of codes are there. Just like for example, A, B, C, D you are entering. Suppose you have means say will develop a program that whenever will enter A, it will be converted to suppose 10. When B, it is 12. For C, it is 14. For D, it is 16. Means you will make a code that whatever value, first value, two numbers will be increased. You can make a secret code like this, so that others cannot guess what can be the code. Clear? So the key is the secret to the cipher, known only to the authorized people. Those who will develop it, they will know what formula you have used or what trick you are using to convert it. Clear? That only authorized people will know. Others can see the data, but that will not be available in the original form. So it will be difficult to guess and difficult to hack. Clear? So next one is your website security. In the first chapter also, little bit we have read about this. The URL means address that one types in the browser usually starts with either HTTP or HTTPS. Okay, this S stands for your secure. Okay, hypertext transfer protocol secure. This is HTTP, hypertext transfer protocol. HTTPS, hypertext transfer protocol secure. One extra letter is used here, that is S. S stands for your secure. The protocol over which data is transferred between your browser and the website that you are connected to. The S at the end of HTTPS stands for secure. It means all communications between your browser and the website are encrypted. Okay, that means whenever you will do any type of transaction, you see the URL must be started with HTTPS. It is secure. It is secure because for data transaction, means say if suppose you are entering any data, that will be converted to encrypted form. Okay, so it will be more secure between your web browser and your means web server. Clear? So HTTPS connections are often used and where sensitive information is needed on an information system. For example, making payments on the internet. While doing online shopping, you should be more careful because every site advertises are coming with the what is a discount and other things. People feels that so much discount we are getting. So to avoid, you see the first the site whether it is HTTP or HTTPS. Okay, if it is only HTTP, don't go for it. And if it is you are finding that it is started with HTTPS and a padlock symbol is there, then it is a secure site, you can go for it. Your all the data will be encrypted. Clear? You can see here user and means web server, whatever. If you are using HTTP, then it is a insecure connection. Okay, your data may be hacked, may be misused, and may be used by your unauthorized people. And if we are using HTTPS, it is an encrypted connection. Encrypted means data will be converted to some other form and only the authorized people will come to know it. So your data will be secure, you can use it. Okay, so rest of the things in the next class. Hope all of you understand. If any doubt, you can ask in the doubt class or you can message me in the campus care. Thank you all. Have a nice day.